everything. We do a lot of science up there. One type of science is with fluids, and here Dan is kind of doing a bit private investigations with the science. He's putting a candy in the water bubble. It looks like an eye, and you can taste it. Americans like peanut and jelly, and here our pilot Kevin Ford has made a kind of innovative way of how you make peanuts and jam. Our commander is U.S. Marine, and he thought he's here about long even after a week. So he needed a haircut. On the opposite end, we had Nicole, who kind of kept her hair fairly long, as you see. And here she demonstrates how we can clean the hair. We don't have any showers up there, so no kind of tap water. Whatever you do, you have to use towels or something like that to clean yourself. Spinning things in space is always fun. And you can see how the kind of dynamics of everything. So you can spin yourself around, a little bit slowly rotating. And this is what you see if you rotate yourself. And don't do this the first day because you will get very sick. But after a week in space, you feel okay. Well, after we had emptied this Leonardo module and we had kind of filled it up with things going back, we moved the module back to the cargo bay of the shuttle. And then we had our last dinner, last supper. We were all 13 there, kind of gathered around one little table, but when it's in space, you can kind of gather any up and down, so it doesn't get too crowded in a small table. Very fun to kind of feed each other, just throw things like that, and catch it. But sometimes, and he had been up there for several months, you should have been able to learn as well. Here is cheers, a drink of reused urine. We actually try to reuse things as much as possible up there, so the urine is actually clean and we can drink it again. But finally, he closed